Kilalanin natin ang top draft player prospects para sa nalalapit na PBA 50th draft. Top 10, JD Kagulangan, 5'9", 160 pounds, 25 years old, 11.8 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 1.2 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his UAAP 87th season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Kagulangan kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 9, Terdy Ravenna, 6'2", 213 pounds, 28 years old, 12.6 points, 4.9 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 1 steal, 26% 3-point shooter, 74% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Terdy kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 8, Kobe Paras, 6'6", 200 pounds, 27 years old, 5.3 points, 0.9 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.7 steals, 0.5 blocks, 35% 3-point shooter, 59% free throw shooter in his 2022-2023 Japan B-League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Paras kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 7, Jason Brickman, 6 feet, 165 pounds, 33 years old, 17.9 points, 6.3 rebounds, 12.7 assists, 2 steals, 45% 3-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Taiwan TPBL season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Jason Brickman kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 6, Renz Abando, 6'2", 157 pounds, 27 years old, 6.6 points, 3 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 1 steal, 1.6 blocks, 47% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024 43rd William Jones Cup averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Renz Abando kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 5, Carl Tamayo, 6'8", 202 pounds, 24 years old, 8.3 points, 3.3 rebounds, 1 assist, 37% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his 2025 FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Carl Tamayo kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 4, Quentin Meliora Brown, 6'10", 245 pounds, 24 years old, 8.6 points, 9.4 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1 steal, 1.3 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his UAAP 87th season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni QMB kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 3. DJ Fener, 6'6", 215 pounds, 31 years old, 13.8 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 1.5 steals, 0.2 blocks, 40% 3-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Holland DBL season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni DJ Fener kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 2. Kamaka Hepa, 6'10", 215 pounds, 25 years old, 10.9 points, 5.4 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 1.3 steals, 0.4 blocks, 34% 3-point shooter, 89% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Latvian-Estonian Basketball League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Kamaka Hepa kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Top 1. Dwight Ramos, 6'4", 210 pounds, 26 years old, 10.7 points, 5 rebounds, 3.3 assists, 1 steal, 21% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2025 FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni St. Dwight kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling na player. Ito ang mga top draft prospect na maaaring magpa-draft na ngayong nalalapit na PBA 50th draft. Sa tingin niyo mga kababos, sino sa mga players na to ang magpapadraft na next PBA draft? I-comment niyo na po yan sa baba.